everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to do Zoom. So a lot of the teachers are going to be inviting you to Zoom meetings, and it's kind of like FaceTime, only you'll be able to see a lot of the other students there too. And then do activities with the teacher online. So let me go ahead and get started. So I sent myself a link. So it's the exact same, it's similar to kind of the link that teachers are going to be sending to you. So, and I sent it to my personal email. So we're really going to be doing this how you would see it. So as you can see, my email is already linked to my phone, and it's normally how people have it. So you would just go ahead and click the little envelope to go ahead and access your email. If it's not linked there, then just go ahead and log into your email. You're going to see something that says Zoom meeting. So you're going to click on your email, and it's going to look just like that. As you can tell, there's going to be a little link there that has join Zoom meeting. And you're also going to see a little meeting ID and a password. So if you click on the link and you've never done a Zoom, if you're using an iPhone, at least, it's going to ask you to download the Zoom app. Sorry, it's going to ask you to do the Zoom app. But if you don't want to download the app, you can just go directly to Zoom, ZOOM.us. And then you can go ahead and join. So we're going to do both ways, just so like that you can do it. So first, let's try to go ahead and do it with an ID, okay? So we're going to go to the Zoom ID. Sorry. So we went ahead and went to Zoom, ZOOM.us, okay? So on the top here, and it's asking me to download the app because I haven't downloaded it. And that's probably what's going to happen with yours too. So on the top, you're going to see join or host. So go ahead and go to join. Oh, I guess it's still going to make you download that app regardless on your phone. Okay, we're learning something new. So go ahead and go to get, because I don't think there's a way around it aside from downloading the app. So we're just going to go ahead and download. Mine's already connected to my thumbprint. You can do the same thing. If not, make sure to go ahead and type in your password for it. And we're just going to wait for it to load. Almost there. And of course, if you wanted to do this on your iPad, it would be similar. But I'm assuming a lot of us have phones, and that's what we're going to be using. Okay, so we finally have it loaded. So now that it's loaded, you can actually go back. Go back to your email. Go back to the link where it says join meeting. And now it's going to say to enter your name. So I'm just going to leave mine. But if you want to add your child's name, if you want to add a name, go ahead and change that name to what you want it to be. And then we're going to push continue. And it's going to ask you if you want to access the microphone. Now with that, this is what's going to allow you to be able to talk to your teachers or the child to talk to the students. So make sure to allow that or say okay. Then it's going to ask you if you would like to get notifications. Now I would allow this just because you will be getting notifications from teachers, but it's perfectly up to you whether or not you want to allow it. So I'm going to put allow. And my test meeting is starting soon. Okay, so then at this time, then you're just going to wait for whoever to start the meeting. Okay, and I am allowing myself to be on. So now, I am on with myself. And that's how you join a Zoom call. You can also, hold on. There you go. You can also go ahead, when you are there, you can unmute. So we're going to ask a lot of our parents or teachers to mute if there's a lot of noise. I mean, not teachers, our families to mute it. So if you just click on it, you can mute it. So go ahead and unmute or mute. So you're going to unmute it if the teacher wants you to talk, and mute it if you want to, so then the teacher can talk and there's not so many noises in the background, okay? And then, yeah, that's about it. On the top it says leave, so you can go ahead and leave. So we're going to go ahead and leave this one. We're going to leave our meeting. And that's that.